Okay, how to operate the Runlock on the 2020 Citroen Berlingo. So we're going to start the vehicle as you normally would. Turn the radio off. Okay, so engine running. Down here we put a little Runlock switch, push switch, light flashes, take the key out, engine still runs, exit the vehicle. Use this spare universal remote control to lock the doors so the vehicle's safe while the engine's running. Press it again on the small button to unlock the doors if required. The activation is either by getting in the vehicle, turning the key to the on position and just driving off, or handbrake off or foot pedal on foot on the brake pedal. We'll shut the Runlock off. Runlock on a 2020 Berlingo.